Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Oops, I did it again. Yes, I have resubscribed to BoxyCharm. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe it's the boredom of the pandemic. I recently resubscribed to FabFitFun and I thought it was interesting because the unboxing video I did for the winter box, I had 30 views, okay. And my spring unboxing has over 500 views because a bunch of those folks were sent to me by other channels. It was referrals from YouTube. So I don't know why all of a sudden YouTube is referring on unboxings, but if that's bringing more of you to my channel, then let's bring on some unboxings. BoxyCharm starts at like $25 a month. This is what I know. I signed back up and I kind of remembered that the Luxe boxes were way better than the basic ones, but you have to be like on the waiting list to get the Luxe boxes. So I was going to sign up for Premier, but you have to be a regular subscriber before you can be Premier. This is what I know. Initially, I paid $77 for 3 months. I think that got me Premier. What I don't know is, do I get a basic box and a Premier box? Just a basic box? I have no clue. And then like 2 weeks later, I was informed, hey, congratulations, you now have a Luxe subscription and we're charging you another $24.99 for the next 3 months. So I have no clue what I will be getting. This is the first box that's arrived. I am pretty sure this is the regular February box, but let's get into it and find out. Here is the cheat sheet, and that sure looks like a February box. All right. One of the things that made me stop my subscription to BoxyCharm was I was tired of getting palettes that I was just never going to use. And so I did bias my preferences towards hair care and skin care and a whole lot less on makeup. But what's right on top? Ace Beauté. I also said, hey, I like neutrals. Something tells me from the coloring on this packaging, this ain't a neutral palette. Let's take a look. Well, I mean, the outside is beautiful. I believe those are hibiscus flowers. They're gorgeous. And, oh, good God, sorry. Okay, that's not only a no, that's a hell no. Okay, I know you were getting a lot of reflection because of the ring light. There we go. These are not colors that I will ever use on my face outside of some like Halloween or holiday celebration. So, I like beach. Okay, that looks like a really pretty shade. Maybe stargazing, but no, I'm not even going to swatch it. I will put it in the giveaway pile because maybe clearly people are liking these bright colors. They're just not my jam. Moving on. Here is something Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence, a 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. Free of 6 types of paraben, benzyl alcohol, chlorphenesin, it's just free of a whole bunch of stuff that's really hard to pronounce. What is it? After washing the face and tidying up skin texture, dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply on the face Okay, I think it's an, oh gosh, that's a big bottle. It's just over 10 fluid ounces. It's an essence. Okay, I use an essence. It's the first step in my skincare, kind of as priming my skin for everything else. And what has it got in it? Water, glycerin, butylene glycol, pentylene glycol, okay, so it's got a bunch of stuff that's really hard to pronounce. I'm looking for any linseed extract, citric acid, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. I don't know. Maybe that needs to go in the giveaway pile too. I'm not super excited about using it. I'm sorry, does that sound really bad? So sorry. How about this stuff from Libido? You think that's how that is pronounced? Evening primrose seed, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed age away hydrating cream. All right, that sounds interesting to me. And ingredients look pretty good. All right, I'll use that, I believe. It's pretty packaging. I like the raised texture. Does that show up? Sort of. Anyway, pretty packaging. And, all right. It's a tube like that. So I like that. Okay, that's good. There's one good thing. Saint Luxe Limited Edition Liner Duo. Well, since I'm wearing masks all the time, I'm not wearing a ton of lip liner. Having said that, I also don't have a really big collection of lip liners. So, all right, and those look like two shades that I don't have. Certainly wouldn't go with what I'm wearing today, but I think those would potentially be shades that I can use. All right, so that's okay. And there's one last thing. Yes, this must be the basic box. This is an eye duo Good Vibes mascara and eye pencil. And I have been finding myself getting rid of a lot of mascaras lately because they've dried out, and you're supposed to get rid of them like every 6 months. So guilty of not doing that. Okay, I just saw there's a spring in here. Excuse me while I answer that. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I just looked and there is a spring in there. And I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's got a built-in lash curler? That's weird. Flip down to curl. Oh, yeah, okay. No, that's just weird. Okay, I applaud somebody. They were very, they showed a lot of ingenuity in that, but that's just weird. Okay, so I've got a mascara to try, and then it says there's an eyeliner in here. Yes, an eyeliner with a smudger, okay? Oh, interesting that the end is already blunted on that. Oh well. Okay. Well, you know what, honestly, that's about what I'd expect from BoxyCharm. Having flashbacks to why I canceled it, but okay. So the palette, they say, is $38.99. Like I said, I hope somebody will enjoy that. The hydrating cream, the stuff I'm kind of excited about using, $55. So would I have spent $55 on that? No, but that more than pays for the month, so okay. This duo, $44. Again, would I pay that? No, but I'll use it. The essence, $46, so somebody will be getting benefit of that. And last but not least, the lip pencils, they say $40 for these two. So, thanks so much for joining me. Do the YouTubey things and have a really fantastic day.